Hello everybody. We are the group number 1 of the Sustainable Tourism Destination Development Program, and today we are going to talk about the bees at Niagara College. Yes, it is the Niagara College Apiary. The Apiary falls under the Department of Environmental Sciences and is a school-funded department. Led by Miley Norden, the coordinator and professor of the program, along with Daniel Thurston, the beekeeping technologist. We have more than 40 hives on campus and other 40 to 50 at other locations across the region. This is the Eastern Canada's first ever commercial beekeeping program. The apiary appeals to all 4 types of sustainability. For example, the apiary aims to train human capital in society. It is a part of the nationwide effort to train over 3,000 commercial beekeepers across Canada since the past decade. Graduates from the beekeeping program at the Niagara College Apiary have career opportunities to work professionally as an apiarist, apiary technician, a manager, a honey production supervisor, or maybe even own a honey production business. The apiary supports women to overcome social and economic barriers, which prevent them from participating in beekeeping. By doing such, it leads to equal job opportunities and increased household incomes. As all of us depend on pollination for our survival, the Niagara College Apiary contributes in taking care of the most important creators for the web of life, the bees. The operation of the apiary are in alignment with almost all of the Sustainable Development Goals by the United Nations. But in this video, our main focus is going to be on good health and well-being, decent work and economic growth, responsible growth and consumption, and life on land. Bees play such a huge role in the biosphere, as we are about to find out.
Bees play a very critical role in our ecosystem. They are critical pollinators. They pollinate 70 of the around 100 crop species that feed 90% of the world. Honeybees are responsible for $30 billion a year in crops. Without them, we would suffer from a global hunger pandemic. With an ever-increasing population of 7 billion and counting, food security is at the forefront of international development agenda. Bees play a huge role in ensuring that we have a variety of fruits and vegetables in the supermarket and across fruit markets across the entire world. Bees play such a vital role in the biosphere that they are the only insects with a globally recognized day. As of 2018, May 20th was designated as the World Bee Day. Beekeeping and production employs millions of people across the world, and as of 2022, the global market for apiculture was estimated at $10.3 billion. The Niagara College Apiary, which falls under the Environmental Science Department, is the custodian of over 30 beehives, as earlier mentioned, and considering the vast natural and green cover of the Niagara region, we can see how these bees carry pollen grains across the region and ensure that there's a constant production, growth and supply of food and fruits. Over 90% of Ontario's tender fruit crop, peaches, pears, prunes, plums, sweet and sour cherries, raspberries and strawberries come from the Niagara Peninsula, which is famously referred to as the fruit belt of Canada. Beekeeping as a commercial activity leads to increased household incomes and growth of small-scale businesses that can uplift communities out of poverty. The NC Apiary produces jars of honey that it sells at $7.50. The NC Apiary, together with support from the Walker Industries in 2017, embarked on a plan to help protect, restore, and enhance a distressed species that helps provide 1/3 of our diet. The plan was titled Pollinator Health Action Plan and involved the restoration, enhancement, and protection of 1 million acres of pollinator habitat right here in Ontario.
Now we are going to discuss about the new applicable SDGs related to beekeeping. Honey and several other products obtained from bees are crucial in supporting the health and well-being of young and old. Honey is used in wound and ulcer care, to enhance oral health, fight gastric disorders and liver and pancreatic diseases, as well as to promote cardiovascular health. Propolis is used in gynecological care, oral health, dermatology care, and oncology treatments, whilst royal jelly is used in reproductive care, neurodegenerative and aging diseases, and wound healing. The NC Apiary could collaborate with the hospitals and clinics in the region to advance honey-related treatments and how to encourage more people to use honey as a substitute for sugar. Beekeeping is an equal opportunity industry and has particularly helped several women, for example in Uganda, uplift their household incomes and create employment opportunities within their community. Renowned film actress Angelina Jolie and Guxer Lane, the French global fragrance company, have collaborated with women in Cambodia on a beekeeping program that has provided employment opportunities for several women. The apiary could collaborate with UNESCO to promote beekeeping practices across several developing countries. The first one is peace, justice, and strong institutions in which beekeeping associations and cooperatives assist the poor people to earn their livelihood through beekeeping. By establishing contacts among other colleges to introduce beekeeping professional courses. Efforts can be made by the NC Apiary to strengthen cooperation and networks with colleges across Canada that are practicing beekeeping. This would improve knowledge sharing about sustainability and the need to protect our environment and finite resources. Beekeeping can be used as a tool to generate income from forest, riverbanks, and rainwater catchment areas. This can help to guarantee alternative income possibilities for people living in these areas and have a ripple effect on the need to plant new multi-purpose forests with improved possibilities for honey production, improved pollination, and higher production of fruit. This can be done in concert with other organizations like the Food and Agriculture Organization and the World Agroforestry Center, who would serve as key international stakeholders in environmental conservation.
Beekeeping offers a way for urban people to have a connection with nature and acts as an incentive to make the cities greener by planting trees and creating flower-rich areas.
This can be done with the guidance and assistance from municipal and provincial councils that are in charge of city infrastructure and who would serve as a major local and national stakeholders and partners in the achievement of better, healthier, and greener spaces.